Sainam students, welcome back to your online class of Environmental Studies. Today we are going to study Environmental Studies, and in Environmental Studies we will learn a new chapter. I am going to give you some hints of a new chapter. You have to guess the name of the chapter. Okay? See on your screens. Look out and say what kind of a day it is. What kind of a day today? Is it sunny? Yes, and it's cold outside. That means it is a winter season. So, which chapter we are going to study? We are going to study is chapter number 13, the season. What we are going to study? We are going to study chapter number 13, the season. Okay? So, everybody knows about the seasons, no? There are different kind of seasons. Summer, monsoon, or we can say rainy, or winters, or spring. This is what season this is? This is winters. Which season is this? This is winters. And in winters, in some places there is snowfall, and in some places there is only cold breezes and so cold. We wear woolen clothes in winters to keep us warm. And do you drink cold drinks in winters? No, we don't drink cold drinks or ice cream in winters. We drink hot drinks like tea, coffee, hot milk, hot chocolates. These kind of things we prefer to drink in winters. Let's begin with the chapter number 13, the season today. See, seasons. We are going to study about seasons. See, we have season because the earth tilts. Because the earth tilts, that is why we have the seasons. That means when the earth comes closer to the sun, then summers come. And when the earth goes far from sun, that time we feel winters because the warmth of the sun is not there. Okay? Because the warmth of the sun is very low. Because if you come closer to a heat object, then you feel warm, and if you go far from any heat object, then you feel cold. Similarly with the earth, when the earth comes closer to the sun, then the earth becomes warm and the summer comes. And when the earth goes far from the sun, that means on that particular time we feel cold. Okay? So then winter comes. See, there are 4 seasons in our country. How many seasons are in our country? There are total 4 seasons in our country. They are, first is summer season. First is our summer season. Some of you like the summer season because you are allowed to eat ice creams. That is why it is good to have a summer season. Next season is rainy season or monsoon season. When so much rain falls, that time is known as the rainy season, or we can say the monsoon season. Next is third, winter season, which is right now. Right now what we are feeling cold, dry. This is a winter season. This is winter season. And the fourth season is spring season. What is a spring season? Spring season is when the flower blossoms and birds chirping and neither it's too cold nor too hot. This season is known as the spring season. Okay, when the temperature is normal, we neither feel cold nor feel hot. That time of the year is known as spring season. Now see, this is what season? Yes, this is summer season. Which season is this? Summer season. See the next? Monsoon season. This is monsoon season. When the rain falls and we take umbrella or we wear our raincoats, this season is known as the monsoon season. See the next? Winter season. In some places, when the snow falls, we wear scarves, we wear sweaters, we wear warm caps and our gloves and play outside in snow or in cold. That particular season is known as the winter season. Okay? Now see our next season, spring season. Which season is this? Spring season. See, when the butterfly comes, flower blossoms, and there is bright sun outside, neither it's too cold nor too hot. This particular season is known as the spring season. Okay? Now let's read about this season in brief. Summer season. See the summer season. Summer season is very hot. You know na? In summer we feel very much hot and there is too much hot outside because sun is too hot at the time of summer season. Sun rays fall straight on this part of the earth. Okay? Because sun rays fall straight on the earth. So that is why our earth becomes too hot and we feel very warm at the time of, very hot at the time of summer season. See, days are long and nights are short. In summer, what happens? In summers, days are very long and nights are too short. That means, as you see in the summertime, the sun sets nearly 7 o'clock. But at the night is too short and the sun rises too early in the morning also. So at that time days are very long and the nights are too short. See the next. People wear light cotton clothes. It keeps us cool. In the time of summer, we wear cotton clothes and it keeps us warm. It keeps us cool. People wear cotton clothes and it keeps us cool during the summer. Okay? Or we try to drink, we try to do all the things which makes us cool. See the next point. April, May and June are the months of summer season. What are the months of summer season? April, May and June are the months of summer season. What are the months of summer season? April, May and June. And in June, we feel very much hot because it is the peak time of summers. So, what are the basic seasons? What are the main seasons of the summer? April, May and June. And we take cool drinks and eat ice creams. We eat cool drinks. We try to take cool things at the time of summer to keep us cool. So we take cold drinks and eat ice cream. So lots of ice creams you eat na at the time of summers. So summer is a good season. I think yes. And we use fans, air conditioners on summer days. On summer days, we use fans, air conditioners and coolers and so many things to keep us cool. So this is all about the summer season. Now see the next season. Rainy, or we can say monsoon season. Rainy season, or we can say monsoon season. Rainy season starts after hot summer. When the summer goes, after the summer, which season comes? Rainy season. So rainy season starts after the hot summer. Dark clouds fill the sky. All over the sky is filled with the dark clouds. And then rain showers after that dark clouds. And there is so much thunder and lightning outside in the sky. Sometimes there are strong winds and breezes. Sometimes there are the strong winds and breezes blows. Okay. And see the next. People take hot drinks, spicy food. We try to eat hot drinks like tea or coffee and take spicy food to make our mouth spicy. We use raincoats, gumboot and umbrella. What we use? We use rainbow coats, gumboots and umbrella if we want to go out so that we will not get wet. That is why we use raincoats, gumboots and umbrella. Gumboots are for not to slip in the water. Okay. We see rainbow after the rain. We see rainbows after the rains. When there are rains outside, after the rain there is a colorful rainbow which have the 7 colors and it looks very, very beautiful outside. Sometimes we hear thunder and lightning. As I told you, in the sky there are lightning and we also hear the sound of thunder at the time of monsoon. July, August and September are the months of rainy season. What are the months of rainy season? July, August and September are the months of rainy season. July, August and September are the months of rainy season. See the next season. Winter season, which is going on. Which season is going on now? Winter season. So winter is very cold. Winter is very cold. In some places it snows. At some places it snows. Does there snow in the Haridwar? No. It snows in the mountainous regions. Like, what is the nearby region, mountainous region nearby us? Where snow falls? Mussoorie. It is so closest to us so that we see snowfall in our Uttarakhand, in our nearby places, Mussoorie. We wear woolen clothes. It keeps us warm. What we wear at the time of winters? We wear woolen clothes. We wear woolen clothes at the time of winters and it keeps us warm. It keeps us warm throughout the winters. What are the woolen clothes we wear? Scarves, mufflers, caps, gloves, sweaters, warm inners and warm shoes. Days are short and nights are long. What we had read in the summertime. In summertime, days are long and nights are short. But in winter time, days are short and nights are long. That means at the winter times, there were dark outside very early. It is nearly 5:30 or 6 o'clock. There is dark outside. And so that's why days are short and nights are long. And also the sunrise is very late at the time of winters. We take hot drinks in the winters. What we take in winters? We take hot drinks like hot chocolate, hot tea, hot coffee, or hot soups. We take hot drinks in winters. People wear sweaters, shawl, and gloves. Your mother wears shawls also now in winters to keep herself warm. October, November, December, and January. There are total 4 months are of winters. Okay, October, November, December, and January are the months of winter season. What are the months of winter seasons? October, November, December, and January. These are the months of winter season. Now, which season is? Next is spring season. Next is our spring season. This season is most pleasant. That means it is very beautiful season, and it gives us inner peace. Plants put on new leaves. Plants grows its new leaves at the time of spring. Everywhere it is bright sun, and all over there new flowers blossoming outside. Flowers bloom everywhere. New flowers are blooming everywhere at the time of spring season. It is neither cold nor hot. It is neither cold nor too hot. Okay. Spring season is neither cold nor hot. Days and nights are equal. At the time of spring, days and nights are both equal. Neither days are long nor nights are short. So, both days and nights are equal at the time of spring season. February and March are the months of spring season. What are the months of spring season? February and March. February and March are the months of spring season. So, we do picnic, we go for the walk and perform so much activities at the time of spring season. Now, there is one activity for all of you. Match it. You have to match it. I am going to show you some pictures. You have to match those pictures. See, first picture. First picture is of rainy season, or we can say monsoon season. Does we use fans in the monsoon season? No. Does we use raincoats in the monsoon season? Yes. So there is a boy who is wearing raincoat. So match this picture with the boy who is wearing raincoat, because we use umbrellas and raincoats and the gum boots at the time of rainy season. And what is the next season? Next season is, what is our next season? Winter season. There are the snowmans you see on your screen. Snow. So does you use fans at the time of winters? No, it is already too cold. If we use fans, then it will be too cold more. So we do not use fans at the time of winters. So are we use fire? We use fires on the winter season. Yes, we do bonfire, and we burn fire to keep us warm. We use heaters. We use a different kind of heating materials to keep us warm in the winters. Okay. And the last one is your summer season, because there is too much bright sun and the water waves. What we use in summer season? We use fans. We use fans in the summer season. So, well done. You did very well. You match all the useful things with all the seasons. Now, study about the seasons at your home, and study well, stay safe, and keep yourself warm in the winter season.